Job schedule in time tracker. When a job is assigned to an employee, it's the employee's responsibility to perform the job and add a time log against this particular job. However, if you wish to propose a schedule to your employees to make it easier for them to understand the list of jobs that they will have to perform on a daily basis, you will be able to achieve this condition using the job schedule option in the time tracker module. Now let's see how to create a job schedule. In order to do that, we need to navigate to operations and then timesheet, and then you have this option called job schedule. So you will see the list of users in your organization over here, and you can click on a particular username and click on a specific day that you would like to create a schedule for. So let's say I'm going to create a schedule for Thomas for 25th, that is a Thursday. So just click on a particular day. You get this information. So you can map the client name, project name, or you can even directly select the job name. And then the date. You can also mention the time. So on 25th of July, I want Thomas to perform this job between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So you can also mention the time. So I'm marking it as 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So after adding the time, you can write a description if you want. You can also repeat the series. For example, if Thomas is going to work on a job called data preparation for the complete month of July, every day between 10 to 11, you can repeat the series. So you can click on repeat. You can either repeat the series on a daily basis in different intervals like 2 days once or 3 days once, or you can even keep it on a weekly or monthly basis. So let's say I'm going to repeat this schedule on a daily basis till 31st of July. So once the schedule is added, you can either save the schedule as draft, which means when you save it as draft, it is not going to be visible to the employee. So when you click on publish, the schedule will be shared with the employee, and the employee will also be notified via email. So now if you can see, the same schedule is being shared with this user. So this is about the job schedule functionality in Zoho People. Now let's see different settings like who can create a job schedule, and if a job schedule is created and published, will an employee have an option to override it or manually edit the schedule. So all these settings and restrictions is what we are going to discuss next. In order to do all these settings, navigate to settings and then click on time tracker. Under configuration, we have job scheduling. So the first type of setting that we are going to discuss is about job schedule permissions, that is, who can view the job schedule and who can add and edit a job schedule. So first option is job schedule can be viewed by. So you can give option to the reporting manager or only to the employee. And next comes the permission to create a new job schedule or to edit a job schedule that is already published. So you can decide whether reporting manager should have the access or the employee. Admin will have permissions to all of these actions by default. And the next is we have job schedule restrictions and preferences. So first is about exclude repeat series part. So when you're repeating a series for a particular period of time, let's say from 1st July till 31st of July, and you don't want the schedule to be published on a weekend or a holiday. So you don't want an employee to go and see that for a weekend a particular schedule is shared. In order to exclude weekends, holidays and leave, you can enable the option. And next we have the option hide in view. Hide in view is nothing but, let me open the job schedule once again. Job schedule. So here if you can see, we created a job schedule for Thomas from 25th to 31st. However, for Saturday, the schedule is not published because I have enabled the option exclude series for weekends. So if it is a weekend, the schedule is not going to be displayed to an employee. The next option is hide. So when you click on hide, system will completely eliminate weekends or holidays from this page. So no weekends, holidays or leave will be listed in this screen. So this is a difference between excluding a series and hiding weekends, holidays or leave from the job schedule page. And at last we have the notification option. So whenever you create a job schedule and you click on publish, Do you want your employees to be notified? If yes, there are two options. Notification can be sent via email or notification can be sent via feeds. So feed notification is nothing but a notification inside of the Zoho People application. So these are all the different settings and restrictions with respect to the job schedule function in Zoho People.